Hey guys, Ronnie here out in the shop doing what I often do, and that's building furniture to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Got a couple of end tables going here. It's probably why you clicked on the video, right? You're interested in the subject. Well, I'm here to share with you the knowledge that I've gained about the past 2 years, almost 2 years now. I started from scratch. I built dozens of pieces of furniture for thousands of dollars. It's doable. I'm not that far ahead of where you guys are, right? I'm here to tell you it's doable. Look, I'm a retired mailman, 60-year-old guy. A lot of you guys are a lot younger. You can kill it. You get into this, you can kill it. I want to make this video kind of a resource video, a hub video to tie other videos that I've done on the subject together. So you can use as a reference. You can come back, depending on what stage you're in, you can come back and check out the next video in the series. So I will put links in the description, probably up above. Now, if you're new here, you just landed here, you might want to subscribe. If you find value in this, subscribe so you know when other videos come out. Hit that bell. I'm here to inform you. It's not a paid course. This is all free information that I'm sharing. So let's start with the first stage. First stage I see is actually building the furniture, right? Or the project you want to sell. You got to learn how to build it. You're not going to be selling anything you haven't built yet. So I've got a couple videos that are beginner friendly. One is for an entryway bench and one is for a rustic coat rack. Now the entryway bench is very popular in my area. I sell a lot of them. Pretty easy to build. Go check those two out. Get one of them down. And when you do that and you're ready, we'll move on to the next stage, and that will be staging. Staging your furniture or project. What's staging? Well, staging is to make someone, a prospective customer, be able to imagine this piece in their home. So there's a lot involved there. I have a video on how to stage furniture to sell on Facebook Marketplace, I think is the name of it. Goes through, I use an acronym called LILA. Lays out the whole process of staging. You'll have to check that out to find out what LILA is. That'll go through the whole setting it up, putting pieces, candles or whatever, just staging it, getting good lighting, make it look as best as you can. Once you learn how to do that, you are ready to post your first ad. How exciting. I can tell you from personal experience, probably the hardest piece of furniture to sell is that first piece. So many unknowns and you just haven't done it. But the video is, what is it? How to sell homemade furniture on Facebook Marketplace, I think is the name of it. In that video, I go through step by step of what I did to post an actual ad on Facebook Marketplace. I go through creating the ad, how to title it, how to upload pictures, what to put in the description, price considerations, everything. It's an actual ad of an actual piece that sold. So you could use it word for word if you want. It's very valuable. Once you sell your first piece, once you go through that video and you put the ad up and you sell it, awesome, you're on your way. There's another video I suggest, and that would be how to deal with customers on Facebook Marketplace, because once you start selling, these questions are going to come up from customers and maybe things you haven't thought of. So this video will give you a heads up on what to think ahead of time and what to prepare for. Pretty valuable video there. Another video that I suggest you watch is how to lose a sale. It's an actual story of how I lost a sale on Facebook Marketplace. A good lesson I learned and what I changed from then on to guarantee I wouldn't lose a sale for that reason again. Those are just some of the videos that I suggest you get started with. Now I have a playlist of motivational videos that will help inspire you, hopefully, and get you moving along the process, get you confident. You can watch all these videos, but they're not going to be worth anything if you don't take action. I harp on that all the time. You got to take action. I wouldn't be here today talking to you on this video, trying to get you motivated if I hadn't taken action, right? Trust me, it gets easy. Resource video. Now look, if you're new here, if you just stumbled on this video, subscribe, because you want to be sure to get the new videos I have coming out. It's all about this subject. Building, different aspects of building, selling on Facebook Marketplace to make money. And it's not just about making money, right? You can sell a piece of furniture and make a profit. You got your money. You bought the product, you bought the material, you built it, you sold it, you got money. It's so much more than that. You'll find it's so much more than just getting money. It's the confidence you gain with the new skills you learn. It's the peace of mind knowing that if you have a tough month and you're not sure if you're going to make the rent or house payment or the truck payment, you know how to build furniture that you can sell and ease that pressure. You want to build a piece for charity? It's so cool to do that. Build a piece and give it away or auction it off or whatever. It's a great world, woodworking. Like I said, I've been into it a couple years. I love it. I love encouraging and teaching and informing you guys. You know what I love too is hearing stories back from you and pictures. So if you'd be so kind as to keep sending those pictures of what you build and give me feedback in the videos, the various videos of if you have questions, I'd love to hear those. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.